Today is April 29th. It's 3 days since I installed this package of bees. And I just want to go in and look just to see if the queen has been let go. And if she hasn't, I want to try to get that process started to where she can go ahead and get out and do her thing. And I want to get the cage that she was in out of there. And that's the only thing I want to do. I don't want to take out any frames or anything else. So we're going to attempt to do this and see how everything's going in the hive. And yes, she's been released. They've eaten all the candy out, and she's in there. And I can see comb and stuff being built out in there, but I want to leave them alone, let them do their things, and I'll come back in a few days and see exactly what all is going on in here. But I didn't want to do too much disturbing today. But I just wanted to show the progress of what I'm doing and see how everything's going. And I'm finding that I'm having ants get in, and I'm trying to combat that. So I put a little bit of grease, just a thin layer around each leg, and I can watch them go up and come back down, and it's like they're not crossing. And I'm afraid they're dropping from, I've got a few tree limbs that's hanging over, and I'm afraid that's how they're getting in. But anybody's got any suggestions how to keep them out, the ones that do drop, please let me know. I'm just trying to keep them from robbing too much as well. But all I can do is kill them when I see them. So. But with the feeder that I got on here, I've noticed that I'm not really having any. I've got one or two bees that have drowned, other than that, they appear to be going in and out and just fine and getting the things that they need, and they'll go right back up. So the feeder that I made is seems to be doing really well, and so far I like it. So I'm gonna close her up, and I think I'm done for a while.